G'day guys, this week we're in Perth kicking off a run of special episodes with the support of a number of local companies.
We've had so much fun this weekend. I haven't been able to get the smile off my face.
We had a really good meet with some of the local four-wheel drive scene on Friday night.
For the show and shine we've got today, I think we're going to throw it for the best rig. Decent size, around about $700 worth of value.
Pretty memorable little rigs, little pink Barbie chimney was definitely a standout.
We're going to go and tackle some of the tracks down in Brunswick.
I think this is going to get very interesting today.
It should test quite a few of the vehicles that we have here, especially after all the rain that we've had recently.
Was that some of the gnarliest four-wheel driving I've done in a long time?
Hey guys, I'm Sarah from West Coast 4x4 Recovery. We're here today at Oz 4wdrive Equipment.
Michael Peters from Nava, Australia. We're here at Oz Thrifty 4-wheel drive for a meet and greet with the crew from 4-wheel drive TV. It's going to be a big show and shine, great event, got lots of prizes and giveaways.
My name's Steve from Oz 4-wheel drive Equipment. Big day, Charbros down here doing their thing. All the suppliers are down here. We've got a massive amount of prizes up.
We've got awesome sponsors on board. We've got Nava,
Got Slided Solutions,
Oz 4wdrive Equipment,
West Coast 4x4 Recovery.
Black Duck seat covers.
and we've got Off-Road Living as well. So really, really big turnout. I'm really excited to see how the evening's going to go.
For the show and shine we've got today, I think we're going to throw it for the best rig. Decent size, around about $700 worth of value. Always a good category to see the cars come out. It's going to be a good one. Looking forward to seeing what cars come through that we can throw some prizes at.
So this event came about from myself talking to Simon Christie from 4-wheel drive TV. There was quite a few phone calls and messages back and forward. We decided to see if we could get him over to Perth, and then we got all these awesome sponsors to get him and the crew over to do some really good filming.
We're all set up here. Charbros is almost done, so I think we're ready to go for the night.
Jason from Slided Solutions in Charbro Barbecue and cooking up feed for everyone tonight. All day cooked pork wraps was pretty bloody good.
I'm Andrew from Off-Road Living. There was some amazing food put on by Charbro Barbecue. It was delicious.
Vic from Black Duck Sea Cup for the show and shine. We donated a couple of prizes. It was good seeing some people that have done some cheaper builds and that, on a budget. We could see what people get creative, what they come up with, and then some more top end builds.
Pretty great day to see local rigs come out, know what they can do and what they've got, and the jobs that they've done on the car. There's a pretty nice pink one in there that sort of had a bit of character about it.
Show and shine was fantastic. We had a bunch of people come through. I think we had over 30 entrants.
I think the Barbie Suzuki's got it for me. I reckon it's a great little bit of kit.
Pretty memorable little rigs, little pink Barbie chimney was definitely a standout.
Hi, my name's Laura Chapman, Chicks Off Road. We started in 2020. We are basically all for empowering women in four-wheel drives. So it's about, communication and engaging with our female drivers, ensure that we're all comfortable and well looked after when we're out on the road.
My name's Sam. Our biggest focus is empowering girls to get out there and have a crack at four driving. So it can be a little bit intimidating to get out there. Pretty male heavy industry. We definitely focus on encouraging everyone.
After the 4-wheel drive meet and greet and the show and shine here, we're going to head back, catch a little bit of sleep and head off pretty early in the morning. We're going to go and tackle some of the tracks down in Brunswick. It should test quite a few of the vehicles that we have here, especially after all the rain that we've had recently. Hopefully a few recoveries in between, make it a little bit interesting and put these rigs through their paces and see what they got.
No, really looking forward to getting out with some of these guys. I think it'll be a really fun day, and we've got a really good mix of vehicles. Main thing is getting out, having fun, and get bogged. That's all part of it, and we're all here to help.
The trip down south this weekend, we've got Nava, we've got Off-Road Living, we've got Slided Solutions, we have West Coast 4x4 Recovery and Black Duck seat covers. So it's a whole array of suppliers, the best in the industry, to give it a crack and see how we go.
We're live, we've got prizes to give away. Thanks for tuning in. But you should have been here. You're not going to get any prizes. The people who are here are going to get a stack of prizes. All right, that's more like it.
Head to watch.
Thanks again, all Spark and Off-Road Living. Congratulations. Special thank you to Chicks Off-Road. Great to have you guys down here. Thank you. Thank you. 12-volt food warmer. Congratulations.
Thanks very much, Lee.
Thanks for turning up. Brave guy bringing a Jeep.
Oh, come on.
Thanks to Oz 4wdrive Equipment. Set of spotlights. Congratulations. Kinetic rope. Thanks to Oz 4wdrive Equipment. Congratulations. Thanks for coming down. Thank you, Nava. Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you, Slided Solutions, for the bridge slide. Awesome unit. Congratulations, thanks for coming down. $500 gift voucher from Black Duck. Congratulations. Thanks, Black Duck. Thanks, 4wdrive TV. You're welcome. Welcome. Thank you to Oz 4wdrive Equipment and everything Stephen's done hosting us tonight, guys. Big thank you. Thank you to Charbro Barbecue. And of course, a big thank you to Sarah and Sean, because if it wasn't for Sarah, we wouldn't be here. So she's the one who got us over here, so thank you. Thanks everyone for coming. Really appreciate all the local support. It's been fantastic. Great to see you all here. Hope you had a good night. Thank you. Good morning everybody and welcome to Brunswick Junction. It's going to be an awesome day. Jason and Andrew from Off-Road Living, great to have you guys along in the big truck.
Thanks very much, Simon. It's a beautiful day for it out here at Brunswick.
Sarah from West Coast 4x4 Recovery, you've got a few friends in the car with you.
Yeah, I'm riding with Steph and Turbo today. We're an all-girls car, bar the dog.
Michael from Nava, have you done much driving down through here?
No, Simon, I haven't, and really looking forward to having a good look at these tracks. I think it's going to be a cracking day.
Jason from Slided Solutions, another car on all terrains. How do you think you're going to go today?
I think we'll go fine. Might have a few little problems up the big hills, but other than that, we'll be fine.
Stephen from Oz 4wdrive Equipment, you've got Tyler and Charlie, and I see you brought your girlfriend with you.
Stop it.
Yeah, mate, I got little snack daddy next to me, Shane. He's my recovery guru today.
Victor from Black Duck, great to have you along, mate. What are you expecting for the weekend?
Looking forward to a great weekend. It should be really good. I haven't had a chance to hit a lot of these tracks myself, so really keen to get out here and see what they're all about, and got a good crew with me and it should be good.
It's a great day for some carnage, brother. So we decided to bring Simon and the crew down Brunswick. It's about 200 k's south of Perth.
Just such a lovely area, really green, really pretty, really worth a visit. Pretty routine stuff. We're going to let the tyres down and hit some tracks.
Been down here quite often. The terrain can be challenging. It changes all the time. There's quite a few inclines and declines, muddy sections, rocky hill climbs, rocky descents. There's a little bit of everything to test every vehicle here.
Yeah, look, we're travelling with a great bunch of industry mates today. Everybody in the industry over here sort of gets on really well together. It's really good to get out and hit the track with them as well.
Turbo, our recovery dog, is here with us. Are you pretty excited for the weekend, mate?
Yeah, we started off the day this morning, had a meeting point just off the main road.
Good to see all the crew start rolling in and catching up with everyone and getting prepared for a good day.
We went and looked through all the cars and we decided that we'll switch up the order to make sure at least every second car had a winch. That way if the person in front of us got in trouble or the person behind us, we had that to be done. We do that for safety and recovery.
Started off the day today airing down, meeting up with everybody this morning, transiting into first obstacle, which was our log bridge.
I can tell you right now, if we get rain, I don't know if some of these cars are going to make it.
Nice simple one to start with.
This is adorable.
I've obviously brought probably the biggest vehicle here. It's always pretty funny rocking up to some of these places and driving around in such a big truck. Turns out, got a bit of competition, and Off-Road Living have also brought their two-storey mansion on wheels. It's going to be interesting to see how this thing goes.
I'll tell you what, this is going to be tight for both tracks. There's a rock on one side and a slippery log on the other side.
On the entry, there had been a rock that has fallen down from either the weather or the tracks being graded around here. Well, I don't know where that rock came from.
Sean with the Unimog got a bit cocky, didn't realise that the rock was as big as it was, so obviously going over with a bit of a wheel lift, he's taken out the rear tail light.
That was a solid thunk.
Well, that's how you do it in a bomb.
Had some carnage straight off the bat, which isn't a good start, but hey, I've got it out the way now, so that's me done for the day.
Oh, that rock's moved, I'm sure.
There's a big boulder on one side. Got Simon to give us a hand to spot through that area.
All right, I reckon you're going to be right. We'll come forward nice and slow. Let's push it over just a little bit.
You can't actually see the track from where we are being tail end.
Straight up, straight.
All you see is the top of the off-road living truck doing this.
Thank you, kind sir.
Just bear in mind, guys, for the guys on all terrains, make sure you pick your lines pretty well over this rock step or you will get hung up.
Nice.
All right, let's do it. I don't know how I feel about that rock. That's... Here we go. We're on.
Here we go.
I think this is going to get very interesting today.
We're good.
We'll nail it.
Yeah.
So Stephen, what did Mike from Trek tell you?
Trust in you, Simon. Trust in you.
Well done, great drive.
Beautiful, guys. Well done, everyone.
After we'd crossed over the log bridge, then we had quite a steep incline up there.
Oh, it's got some roll in it. Look at it go.
Flexes pretty well, that thing, doesn't it? Yeah.
I just want to see how much this thing moves around.
Yeah, well, they said the body was on separate mounts.
It's okay, baby.
We'll get into it, yeah.
He's like, oh my God, there's another hill. This is so amazing.
Boys from Slider having a go at this hill, actually picking a pretty good line. We actually might follow that.
Or at least try our best to follow it.
Or at least try our best to follow that.
Found the diff.
I was going to say there's that big lump at the top I'm not too keen on.
Bit rocky. A few loose rocks to watch out for there. Slow and steady.
I think that's the better line, yeah.
Oh, Victor from Black Duck just made it look like he was driving on tarmac, so see if we can replicate that.
Just got to keep that diff away from that big lump in the middle and we'll be all good.
There we go. Very good, very good.
Yeah, we got lost in the red coals again.
Oh, there goes everything off the dash. Straight up. Oi, there's the diff. Beautiful.
Got these?
Yeah.
Jason and Andrew from Off-Road Living, just watch your left-hand mirror. We just lost ours.
Lost it?
Roger that. Probably not the first time Sean's lost a mirror.
Yeah, it's the same one and all. Same mirror.
The Unimog is an absolute rig and a half. Doesn't mean it's unstoppable though, and he has been known to break quite a few items.
The only thing that he happened to miss was he had to take his microwave out the back.
Can't believe he took the microwave out.
Rookie error again.
What's for lunch now then?
Cold pulled pork.
Cold pulled pork. Thanks, Michael.
I wonder who's auto and who's manual. You're probably the only manual. So guys, what have we got? Are we all running autos or is there any manuals in the crew except for the Unimog and me?
Oh, we're manual. We're not that soft.
What's a manual?
We got
glove box.
Have you ever looked at that manual?
Do blokes read instruction manuals?
No, that's for throwing out.
Don't think so.
Chuck them on the fire.
Came up to the top and over the other side of the hill where it sort of opened up into a nice big valley where we could get all the cars together in a nice drone shot.
It's the valley they're talking about. See how it opens up?
Oh, hello. It's a really good view except for the troll in front of me.
Settle down, Sully.
Make sure you're watching next week when this action-packed trip in Western Australia continues. We'll see you then on 4 Wheel Drive Pro Tips.